All right, tow truck ninjas. I'm gonna do a winch out just before rush hour and pull a car. I went off the side of the road, so that's gonna be interesting. But I have definitely got a story to tell you, and y'all ain't gonna believe this one. But yeah, wait, let me get my work done and wait around till the end because there's gonna be some show and tell on this thing. All right. What? Yeah, I'm just dealing with people.
Well, hey, that's every day for us.
Are you here to pick up, sir?
Yeah.
You are? All right, well, this is going to take a minute because I got to...
I'm not here to pick up. I'm just here to, you know, I saw you.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man.
You know, we take care of each other.
Yes, sir. Dude.
Take care, brother. You be good. Be safe on this road.
Thank you, sir.
It's our busy season.
Dude. All right. I'm gonna have to wait to tell you this story, but this is what we're gonna do right now. And rush hour is just coming on, so yeah. Just got our V bridle out here. We're gonna get down here. We're pulling this up. We're in on one side. Vines. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. All right, we're in. Got a bridle. All right, let's go. See, I got the whole road blocked here. It's almost 5 p.m. So. All right, we got her hooked up. right, we got it out. We had to do a quick drag right there. You can see, like, it's getting me rush hour right here. It does get real thick on the street, and you know, people just don't want to show you the respect. You know, a lot of times, you know, working on the road, like, it could just be as crazy as you want, and everybody's just thinking me, 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 you know, think about nobody else. But I'm gonna tie this up, and why don't you stick around here the rest of the story, because I'm gonna tell you something really, really, really crazy, and I'm gonna show you something really crazy too. All right, so I'll calm down for a minute. Then there's something that upset me. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you a story. If you go back and, you know, I just put up, like, I did some filming last week, and I put up an episode, like episode 14. And it's me, and I go to an accident in law enforcement. And basically this woman has demolished 2 cars in the course of, I don't know, what do you want to say, 5 days. So there's something going on here. And the thing is, when we got this car back from the law enforcement call, you know, we looked at it, and I mean, I did a brief look around, you know, but I was like really in the heat of the moment, you know, just getting everything off the side of the interstate, whatnot, you know, securing it and whatnot. Just think about the issue at hand. You can take a look at it right here. You know, we kind of got it parked in, and see, you know, the whole side is pretty smashed up, you know, like that. Even that, you know, right up front there, that, yeah. Let me just show you how close somebody came to being dead, and why. I mean, you look at that. You know, let's say that went just a little bit more. That's your head. That's your head. Okay, I'm gonna show you the back of the car. All right, you go just a little bit more, that's the gas tank. And that gas tank tearing open with all this metal sparking, boom, that car goes up, right? Okay, well, car accidents happen, we know that. So with this vehicle not having any windows and whatnot, what I always do is I look inside the vehicle to see if there's anything that is, like, you know, someone's wallet in there, someone's cell phone in there, and lock it up. We found a lot of stuff, believe me, you know, firearms, whatever. Point is, take that stuff and lock it up. Me and my buddy who works here, we were taking a look at the car, and we were like, yeah, those are all of the paraphernalia objects that someone would have in the car if they was doing drugs. And then we kind of looked at it, and it's like, wow, you know, you came pretty close to death right there, and you're getting high. And you know, it's just the things that people would have in the car if they were doing drugs. So a lady comes here, you know, she wants to get some stuff out of the car or whatever's in there, I don't know, and just surrender the title to us. And well, she's here in the office, and I got another guy I'm dealing with too. Luckily, he was pretty cool. The car that she has, and she has 2 young boys, ages 3 and 4. She comes out and she's like, I'm gonna need you to get my car out of the ditch. And I'm thinking, get your car out of the ditch, what are you talking about? And sure enough, the car had rolled backwards, and she even said something about how she almost left the kids there in the car. She said something about the kids messing with the car, and I'm like basically, this is 2 times in about 4 or 5 days that this woman has not only nearly died, but her kids almost died. And her kids, she was gonna leave the kids in the car. Had they rolled across this street right here, and like I said, it's just getting to be rush hour, dude. You know, it's like, I don't know what you believe in, but there's reasons for things, man. Like, God's trying to tell you something. Like, there's a synchronicity to the universe, you know. And do you really believe in like commonality? Do you believe in coincidence? You know? Is everything for no reason at all? It's just, you know, it upset me. It upset me. I'm not gonna lie, but I did my job, did what needed to be done. We're gonna walk over here and take a look at it. Because, yeah, that's where we went, right across this traffic, and this street can get pretty busy. You know, right down here into this ditch. And those kids could have been in that car. So, yeah, we got some work done. But sometimes, I don't know.